Hello everyone, welcome to the live show of OREE Laser. This is Darling here.
This is Yosen here. Greetings from China. How do you do? Today, we are honored to be here as the host to show you our big factory. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Our big factory mainly covers about 60,000 square meters, which is much more bigger in the China area. What do you think of this?
Yes, we are really a big factory in China, and we are professional manufacturing in China also. And now we have been working our laser cutting machine for many years.
Yes, even in the whole China area, this factory is much more bigger. As you may have a bird view of our factory, we have 12 units for the mask cutter to production. You may have a bird look for this number 1 and number 2 units. This basically are the accessory store here. For the customer who needs for the accessories, we send directly to them from these 2 units.
Yes, we are really big and professional. And follow me, check this side. This is our smart home office here. But Yunxin, do you know how big is it?
Oh, yes. It's basically about 6,000 square meters.
Yes, you're right.
Yes.
So now we will show you looking around our home office, the first floor. So at the first floor, you can check our company, and this is the history of our company. And you can see our company how to start from the single project until today. We have the 60,000 square meters and also have the 1,000 worldwide. And this side, we have a lot of pictures here. And this is our customer visit our factory, and leave the picture here. So you can see we have the many customers, and have the Indian customer here, Singapore customer, and also have the Europe and the American customer here. Yeah. So now we also welcome to our new friend to come our factory.
Yeah, due to the time limits, please let us show you the rest of our production units. Yeah. Please, let's go.
Okay. Weather is good today, not so hot.
Oh yes, this temperature is not rather high because during formal days, these days the temperature is supposed to be very higher. For the who have to went out, please do drink a lot of water to protect your skin.
Yeah, absolutely. But I think you forgot one important thing is where is it right now? I mean, can you show us our factory location to my new friend?
Oh yes, right. Our factory located in the new factory located in the Jiang County, Jinan City, Shandong Province, China. When it mentioned about Jinan City, it has so many famous scenic spots here. Do you want to introduce something to us, darling?
Yeah, sure. So for Jinan is a very famous city in China, and Jinan also is the capital of Shandong Province. And for Jinan, we have the Baotu Spring, and also have the Dami Lake, and also have mountain of Qianfo. And so welcome to our customer to visit our beautiful city and factory.
Yes, our Shandong province has many famous universities also. For example, Shandong University and Shandong University of Finance and Economics. And we have cooperated with Shandong University by offering the job opportunity to them and to further explanation to help the whole society run smoothly.
Yeah, now follow me, check this side. This is two of the workshop in our factory, and this is research and development base. As Yunxin mentioned,
yes.
Now our company is track challenge to come here, do the real project here, and to improve the new type of our laser cutting machine, and also is continue improve our technology to our laser cutting machine. So now OREE Laser also is leading level in China.
Yes, As you may see, the unit number 7 and number 8 is basically for the machine's bed production. We have two types of the cutter's bed. The first type is iron casting type, and the second type is welding type. For the welding type of bed, it must under 600 centigrade quenching process and 24 hours furnace and cooling process to ensure the reliability and the stability of the whole machine bed, which means there has no shakiness during the cutting process.
Yeah, so we will ensure to protect our quality, and we will make sure the quality of our laser cutting machine. But now you can see we're working for the long time because our factory is really big. Yeah,
yes.
It's really big. But finally, we are reaching our demo room.
Yeah, the demo room is right in front of us. And as for the who have joined in our live show, please share this link to your colleagues or your friends. And for who do not have time to attend this live show, we will upload the video later on to the YouTube channel for your reference.
Okay, so please do your needful for us, and now I will give you Yunxin to introduce our factory and the demo room. So please do enjoy.
Thank you, darling. Okay, behind me is our main demo room, and you may see that wall first. That sculpture shows where our product goes. Our product goes worldwide. It means it goes to everywhere. For example, the famous country USA, European Union, and South Africa, even Australia. And you may have a look to the outside of the wall. It says, survive by quality and develop with innovation. There is no small matter for the customers, which shows our intention to do business with our overseas customer. Okay, new showroom under construction in the laser park, which will be surrounded from upstream to downstream of laser industries, focusing on high-end market and cooperate with military enterprise with higher and very big capacity. That is our OREE laser. Okay, you may have a look at this big and tall Eiffel Tower, which is cutted by our fiber laser cutting machine and assembled manually. Okay, right now behind me is our demo room. Let's go in this. We have 7 types of sample machines in our new demo room. These are FM 1315, ORS 1309, F1315 T3, P1315, T6020L, this one T6020, and that one is the machine spec for T6025. So today I will introduce these machines one by one to you. Please listen carefully. Okay, follow me please. Here comes a smaller one. This one is our ORS 1309. The OR means short for OREE laser. S means smart. This is our smart full closed fiber laser cutting machine. The working area for this machine is 1.3 from a wide 0.9 square meters. This machine is a bestseller in the USA and the European market due to several reasons. I will explain to you one by one. The first reason, as you may see it very clearly, it is very small size. It's well knitted, and it have a landscape occupation, and it's very easily installation. That's number one. Number two is a protection shield, which means during the machine's working, you can know what's going on inside while you are outside, just through this window, which means to protect our operator. And when it comes to a shell, it means the air conditioner is included in this. The air conditioner is one of our standardization accessories in this machine, which is which is to extract the dust air right through out, right through. The air conditioner is one of our standardization accessories in this machine, which means it can extract the dust air to the outside automatically. Okay, sorry for the interruption for the air plugs. Okay, let's continue our introduction. The second reason for this machine is the protection shield, which means the air conditioner is one of the standardization accessories to this machine, and which means it can automatically extract the dust air inside right to the outside. That is mean the environmental friendly. That's the number two reason. And number three reason I would like to stress is double gear rack and a ball screw transmission. Please come closer to see the transmission parts. We have the double gear rack and one ball screw in this. Please come closer to see this. Yeah, they have one ball screw to ensure the high precision and accuracy during the protection during the cartridge process. And we have the protection cover to avoiding the dust and the oil or even the sparks during the laser head processing. Okay, that's the number three reason. And most importantly, all the relative motion area must be lubricated because the movement of the gear rack and the ball screw will damage their surface, and automatically lubrication system is most important part to sustain and to maintain the whole performance for this machine. Okay, for who want to the high price, who want to do the high precision of cutting, and who want to do some environmental protection, we would like you to choose this one. This is our OREE 1309. Okay, for now, I hope the voice volume is better now because there's a little problem occurred for the earplugs. This is our OREE 1309, and for who want to do the high precision of cutting and who want to protection the environment, we recommend you this one. This OREE 1309 can do from 1 kilowatt to 6 kilowatt. So this is all for our OREE 1309. Okay, let's move on to the next. And here comes our FM 1315. For the F means flatbed and M means middle. This is a flatbed middle sheet fiber laser cutting machine. This machine has a professional fiber laser cutting technology equipped with a computer numerical control system very perfectly in this machine. It stands for the high standard in the laser cutting area. And for this machine, it has several selling points. I would like to stress it to you one by one. The first one selling point is the machine's bed is a welding bed, which means it enters 600 centigrade quenching process and a 24 hours furnace and cooling process to ensure the reliability and the stability of the machine. And the transmission is a straight gear rack transmission. As you can see, the gear rack, which ensures the high precision of the whole cutting process. And also, we have the protection cover to protect our transmission parts from the dust and the oil, or even to prevent the sparks right from the laser head, which means to sustain their lifespan. And the next part I would like to introduce to you is the laser head. Our laser head equipped with imported servo motor. It can automatically focusing and automatically obstacle avoiding. And after each cutting of the process, the tube cut system software system can generate a report for the to show you how many time and how much cost you used. Yeah, right now from the screen, as you may see, it's automatically layout function, which will save you cost and save the material. And you may look at the whole picture of this machine. It's a gantry structure, which means it's more reliable and stable than before. Right now, we have a big promotion for the FM 1315, 1.5 kilowatts with a max. So, for more information, we would like to introduce to you. Please leave your message to our comment area or leave your email address to our comment area. Our sales manager will contact you very soon. Okay, this is our FM 1315. Let's move on to the next. This one is our F1315T3. For the F means flatbed and the T means the tube. Yes, this is a dual-use sheet metal and tube metal fiber laser cutting machine. And for the sheet metal cutting area, the work area is 1.3 plus for the working area, this machine is 3 meter wide, 1.5 square meters. This machine has several selling points also. I would like to stress to you, the first one is always the machine's bed. This type of machine's bed is an iron casting, which means the liquid iron shaped itself in a mold which ensures untransformation during its lifetime. And the transmission part for this machine is a gear rack transmission. As you may see, the high precision of the gear rack to ensure the high precision and the accuracy during the whole cutting process. And we also have a protection cover to protect our transmission parts to avoid the dust and the oil or even the sparks right from the lead head. Okay, next part I would like to introduce to you is the whole gantry structure, which means more stable. That is our sheet metal cutting area, and this is our tube metal cutting area. For this tube cutting area, the clamping length range for the tube material is about 3 meters, but we can do 6 meter and even 9 meter. This clamping range in the front of you is automatically electronic claw. And please follow me. We have the automatically pneumatic claw right in the back. As you may see, when we press this pneumatic button, it can automatically clamping the tube material very tightly, as you may see this. So that ensures a high precision during the tube materials cutting. And one more thing to be mentioned with is this tube cutter cannot cut only the square tube, but also the round tube, U-shaped tube, T-shaped tube, or even L-shaped tube. Imported laser head is equipped with imported servo motor, which can automatically focusing and automatically obstacle avoiding. Okay, that is all for our F1315 T3. For whom who want to cut the sheet metal and the tube metal, we recommend you this one. Okay, this is all for our F1315 T3. Let's move on to the next. This big guy is our P1315. For the P means protective. This is our protective full closed fiber laser cutting machine. This type of machine is the best seller in the USA European Union and even Australian market due to several reasons I would like to introduce to you one by one. The first reason is, as you may see, the shell. This big shell, it adopts the carbon steel bending process and its plastic spray for the wearing resistance. And we choose is our beautiful color of green, which shows we already have one dream that is to light this world with the color green. And to interpret more or interpret further, that is, this type of machine is environmental friendly because it has a protection shield, which means the air conditioner is one of standardization accessories in this machine, which can automatically extract the dust air to the outside to protect the environment. And that's number one reason. Number two reason is the real-time inspection system. As you may see inside, we have two cameras. The first one is in the front of the machine, and the other one is in the back. That means during the machine cutting, we can know what's going on inside while we are outside. That can protect our operator. That's number two. And next selling point I would like to stress to you is automatically laser head nozzle clean system, which can save the time and energy for the cleaning of the laser head nozzle. As we all know, it will cost you too much to clean the laser head nozzle because there has some easy damage parts in this. For example, the lens and the ceramic rings. The laser head nozzle clean system can automatically clean the laser head nozzles and save the time and energy for you. So last but not least, I would like to introduce is the automatically lubrication system. As I just mentioned, the movement of the gear rack can damage the surface and the performance of the machine. So automatically lubrication system can sustain the lifespan of the gear rack and also maintain high performance of this machine. So you may use the default automatic lubrication frequency in our friendliness subcut software, or you can manually change the automatic lubricate frequency in our software. And one more thing for this machine, please follow me. This P1315 adopts the exchange platform, which means it has two machines bed. You can upload the raw materials during your cutting process, which will save your time and your cost. That is another selling point for this machine. Our engineer will do some sample cutting for this machine. Please come closer to see this. Okay, as we can see, this sample, it's a four-leaved clover. It's very brightness and it's very smooth. It don't need for the second polishing process. Okay, you can put this down because it's very hot. Thank you. Okay, that's all for our P3015. For those one who want the high power 5 laser cutting machine and want to protect the environment and the high precision of the cutting process, we recommend you this one. This is our P1315. And also, the P1315 is on the sale. So you can leave your email address to the comments area. Our professional sales manager will contact you as soon as possible. Okay, that's all for our P3015. Let's move on to the next. This one is our T6020L. For the T means tube, L means it is a light or economical version when it compares to T6020. As you may see, T620 is right located in front of us, but I would like to introduce T6020L first to you. This type of machine is a light or economical version. For who just step into the laser cutting business, I would like to introduce you use this type of machine to cut the tube material. For this machine, it has automatically electronic claw in the front and automatically pneumatic claw in the back. As you may see, it is a pneumatic claw. It can clamp the tube material very tightly to ensure the high accuracy during the tube material cutting process. And for the laser head, which as always equipped with imported servo motor, it can automatically focusing and automatically obstacle avoiding. And the software we use to cut the tube material is our Tube Pro. As you may come closer to see our Tube Pro. Okay, this one is our T6020L. For who want to cut this tube material, we recommend you this one. This one can not only cut the round tube, but also the rectangular tube, L-shaped tube, T-shaped tube, or even U-shaped tube. Okay, that's all for our T6020L. Let's move on to the T6020. The T620 when it compares to the T6020L, it has a very big difference is protection shield, which means this protection shield will protect our operator and or even to protect the whole environment, which means the air conditioner is right in this standardization accessories, which can automatically extract the dust air inside from outside. And this T6020 use the automatically pneumatic claw in the front. As you may see, it clamping right now is a square tube, and it also has a pneumatic claw in the back. When you press the pneumatic button, it will clamp the tube material very tightly. As I just mentioned, please come closer to see this. And the pneumatic claw can ensure the high accuracy during the tube materials cutting process. And you can see the transmission parts for this machine is a gear rack transmission. You can see clearly of the gears. We use the APAC gear rack to ensure the high precision, and we also have the protection cover to protect our gear transmission parts, avoiding some dust and oil. You can have a bird view look for this T6020. You can see this is a horizontal design, which ensures the high performance and high stability for this machine. Next, I would like to show you is automatically laser head, which equips the imported servo motor to automatically focusing and automatically obstacle avoiding during the tube material cutting process. Now, I would like to introduce Engineer Zhang to show you how the T6020 working. Okay, thank you for doing this. As we can see, the cutting surface for this T6020 is very smooth and very bright. There's no need for second polishing. That's the advantage of our T6020. And this machine can not only cut the round tube, rectangular tube, as I just mentioned, L-shaped tube, U-shaped tube, even T-shaped tube can be cutted by our T6020. So that's all for our T6020. Let's move on to the next. This machine's bed is supposed to our P6025. Our P625 is similar with P3015. It has a protection shield and it has automatically air conditioner and automatically real-time inspection system, and also automatically laser head nozzle clean system, and even the automatically lubrication system. As you may see, the big selling point for the PCC25 is the machine's bed. You can clearly hearing this. It's an iron casting bed, which means the liquid iron shaped itself in a mold to ensure the non-transformation during its lifetime. When you use this to cutting samples or the materials, it has no shakiness. That's the biggest selling point for the PCC25. And the transmission parts for this machine is the straight gear rack transmission. As you may see, the high precision of the APAC gear rack for this machine. And also, we have the protection cover for this machines also. This just a machine's bed right now. That's a sample bed. So right from now, the introduction for the demo room is about to become to the closer, which means our whole machine, before shipping, our whole machine will get debugging or the testing by engineer, and we can assure the quality and the performance of our machine. When the machine arrived at your place, you may use it right or immediately, because we do the quality control before we send these machines to you. Now, for the packing part and after sales service, I would like to introduce Darlene to you to show you more detailed information.
The for packaging of OREE laser cutting machine, we total have the 3 layers, and now we already reach here. So you can see here, yeah, we have the hero cutting inside, and also have the plastic wrap, and also have the aluminum foil cover inside. This is the steel chassis below, and we will have the special models such as ORE or ORP and another large surface machine, and our factory will pack them with the here we will pack them the wooden box to better protect our machine body. And we also will find a faster transport company to cooperation with us, and to make sure the delivery machine and goods. So after machine reach your locker or your company, the next important thing is after sales service. So now OREE laser is focuses on machine service, and also OREE laser is building to completely service system around the world. For OREE laser cutting machine with a Wi-Fi control. So when the machine have the problem, our engineer can film the problem at online, also can solve the problem by remote control. So, and now we also have the more than 15 engineers for after sales department. And now after your machine reach your locker, and our engineer also have the 5 days locker installation and training. But due to this time, virus not end, so our engineer is not possible to come out. But we also support 24 hours online after service, and also support installation video and installation, and also is support machine drawings. So to better help our customers. But by the way, I need to say something about the virus, cause the virus is also haven't end yet. So must be more careful about yourself and your family, and you need to wear the mask when you're outside, and also need wash your hand oftenly. Hi, Yunsen. And thanks so much our new friend customer to visit our live show till to this time, and the live show also near to the close.
Yes, the live show is about to the end. We thank you for attending this live show today. And for someone who have questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Or even the live show after, you may have a comment to us. We will have a professional sales manager get to you very soon. So our OREE laser have a big vision to satisfy our customers' needs.
Yes, so if you want to join our promotion and know more details of our OREE laser cutting machine promotion, so please leave your email and your WhatsApp number, and our sales manager will contact you soon, and also can call us, call our factory directly.
Yes, 10 years Seiko focusing on laser industry to shape our OREE laser. We are looking forward to see you next time.
Okay, so see you.
See you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.